The Russian aerospace forces, missile troops and artillery launch massive fire attacks at the units of the armed forces of Ukraine at all operational directions. High-precision attacks launched by the Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the neutralization of provisional bases of the units from the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade near Slavyansk and Konstantinovka, the 115th Mechanized Brigade near Artomovsk, and the 53rd Mechanized Brigade near Kordumovka. Moreover, the list of neutralized targets includes the units from the 35th Marine Brigade near Bereznigovatoye, the 57th Mechanized Infantry Brigade near Murachovka in Nikolaev region, the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade near Balabino in Zaporozhye region, as well as from the 14th Mechanized Brigade near Kharkiv. The attacks have resulted in 800 casualties among Ukrainian servicemen and foreign mercenaries. Operational, tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 12 command posts near Serebryanka, Verkhnekamenskoye, Ivano-Daryevka, Vesoloye, Soledar, Zaitsevo and Pavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Uspenovka and Gulay Pole in Zaporozhye region, Shirokoye, Kiselovka and Novogrigorovka in Nikolaev region, as well as 47 artillery units, 152 Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration areas. The list of the destroyed targets includes 5 missile, artillery armaments and munitions depots near Pavlovka and Temirovka in Zaporozhye region, Novopol in Donetsk People's Republic, Velikoye Artakovo and Olenovka in Nikolaev region. Aviation of the Russian aerospace forces has destroyed 1 Mi-8 helicopter of Ukrainian Air Force near Ochakov in Nikolaev region. Air defense means have shut down 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Barvinki and Petrovka in Kherson region, Kiselovka in Nikolaev region, Kamenskoye, Zaliznichnoye in Zaporozhye region, as well as near Vladimirovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 7 rocket-propelled projectiles have been destroyed in the air near Novaya Kakhovka and Kiselovka in Kherson region. In total, 293 aircraft and 154 helicopters, 1,944 unmanned aerial vehicles, 374 air defense missile systems, 4,900 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 834 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,385 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,506 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Команда пилот 123, обнаружена цель. Азимут 306.